In this video, I'll show you how to create a vertical timeline in just few minutes using react.js. It will be fully responsive for all devices. Go to Google and search the React vertical timeline NPM. Click the link and I'll provide the link in the description. Click to copy the command. Go to your text editor and I'm using VS Code. You can use your favorite text editor. Now install the component. It is installed properly. Now import the style sheet from react vertical timeline component plus style.main.css. Now we will create the component vertical timeline and vertical timeline element. Make sure it is imported from react vertical timeline component. Now you can write anything here. I am writing a s2 tag and some paragraph. Now it is like this. Now I will change style of the content. Just write content style. You can write any CSS property here. Background color, the color will be white. Is change the color and the background color. Now I will add an icon here. Icon property bi javascript. You need to import from react icon di. My icon is came here. Now I need to style the icon. Just write a property icon style. You can write any CSS property here. Background color value and the color will be black. If you want to style the arrow, you can write a property content arrow style. Five pixel solid. Yeah, my arrow also changed. If you want to change the line color, just write a attribute line color. I will add more timeline. Just copy the vertical timeline element and paste it. How many times you want, you can do. Thanks for watching the video.